DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making faux glazed pots with Americana acrylics and Americana multi-surface satins. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some faux glazed pots. Americana acrylics and Americana multi-surface satin paints come in a ton of different colors. So pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.